Alright, today I'm going to talk about making this RJ45, which is the network connection cable. First, you'll need an RJ45 connector, a LAN cable, a crimping tool, a pair of wire cutters, and a cable stripper. Once you've got everything ready, we can start demonstrating how to make a LAN cable. First, pick up the cable stripper and adjust the position of the blade. So, move it to the right position and then, at about 2 to 3 centimeters from the end, strip off the outer sheath of the LAN cable, then pull it off. After that, you can use the wire cutters to cut off the inner string. After that, you can start untwisting some of the twisted pairs. First, I'll untwist the orange, white, and orange pair. So, orange, white, and orange. Then next, we'll have the green, white, and green pair. Go ahead and untwist this pair as well. Alright, next up is the green pair, or the orange, white. We separate them like this. After that, we take these wires that we've already arranged in order and bend them neatly first. Next, leave about, say, 2 centimeters. Basically, this should reach the very end of the wire tip. Once you've measured it to about the right length, you can cut it. Be careful, use your finger to block the end so the wire tips don't spring out everywhere. Alright, after you've finished cutting, you can insert the arranged wire cores into the RJ45 connector. Carefully push the wires all the way in so they're gathered inside. At this point, you need to use a bit of force, and the cable sheath also needs to go inside the connector head. That's because when you crimp it, the sheath has to be inside the head as well, so it can be secured tightly. Okay, so you can see that the wires have already been pushed all the way to the end. After that, you can put the cable head into the crimping tool. Once it's in, press down firmly to secure it. After pressing it once, the connector will be tightly crimped. You'll see that the cable sheath has been clamped and flattened inside the connector head, which helps to bear the force, making your cable less likely to break. Finally, use a tester to check if the cable is working. Press the button, and if you see connected light up, it means the connection is good. That means the patch cord is done.